In this video, I'll show you how to send a text message on WhatsApp. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now in this video, I'm making this video for educational purpose only. So ensure you watch through what I'm going to show you right now. Head over to your WhatsApp. This is our WhatsApp. I'm going to show you how you can send a text message, right? So I want to send a text message to HowTo. So this is my HowTo. This is my other account right on WhatsApp. Once you click on it, you can open this inbox. So I can come on here and type in a friend. Once you are done, you're going to click on the enter button, right? So if you look here, you can see that I just sent this message right now, right? I just sent this message. So this is how you can send text message here on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm going to show you all in the very next one.